Hello student, I am Mrs. Harsha Devendra Jhope from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhayandar. Today we are going to study part 5 of our chapter 1 Basics of Computer Graphics. Learning outcomes of this video are: after watching this video, you will be able to know about flat panel display, emissive and non-emissive flat panel display, plasma panels, light emitting diodes, liquid crystal display and touchscreen. In last video, we have studied about cathode ray tube, raster scan display and random scan display. Display device is a device used for presentation of information such as image or text for visual purpose, that is to display information. We have studied CRT, raster scan display and random scan display. The next we are studying flat panel display. The term flat panel display refers to a class of video device that have reduced volume, weight and power requirement as compared to CRT. Flat panel display are the devices that have less volume, weight and power consumption as compared to the CRT we have previously studied. Flat panel devices are light in weights, that's why they can be hung on walls and wear them on our wrist as a watch. Flat panel display allow user to view data, graphics, text and images. The main two types of flat panel display are emissive display and non-emissive display. Then let's study what is emissive and non-emissive flat panel display. The emissive display, this device converts electrical energy into light energy. For example, plasma panels and light emitting diodes, that are LED and flat CRT. Second is a non-emissive device display. They use optical effects to convert sunlight or light from some other source into graphic patterns. For example, LCD, that is liquid crystal display. The next we will study plasma panels, that we have studied it as an example of emissive flat panel display. Then what is a plasma panel? Plasma panel, also referred as gas discharge display. It consists of two sheets of glass with thin and close space gold electrodes attached to inner faces and covered with dielectric material. These are attached as a series of vertical conductors on one glass plate and horizontal on other glass plate. The space between two glass plates is filled with neon-based gas and is sealed. You can look at the diagram that is shown on your slide. The advantages of plasma panel are: it is a lightweight, less bulky device. It produces flicker-free images. Refreshing is not required. It allows selecting, erasing and writing. And some disadvantages of these plasma panels are: it shows poor resolution, means your image is not clear that much. It needs complex addressing and wiring, and it is costly. The next study light emitting diodes, that is the next display device. LED is a semiconductor that illuminates when an electrical charge passes through it. LED is a type of LCD that actually accompanies the advancement of technology. This replaces the fluorescent tube with backlight technology, which produces a clear picture than the LCD. LED have the clear images. LED have wider viewing angle than the LCD. It have better black level and contrast in comparison to LCD display. LED delivers better color accuracy in comparison to LCD. A light emitting diode, that is LED, it is made up of semiconductor chip which is surrounded by a transparent plastic case. The plastic case allows the light to pass through it. The emission of different colors including ultraviolet and infrared light depends on the semiconductor material which is used in the diode. Some advantages of LED are LED have very long life. It requires low maintenance. LED doesn't produce heat. LED is highly effective. There are some disadvantages of LED. It is most costly. It have restricted viewing angle. The next are liquid crystal display. LCD is a flat panel display, electronic visual display or video display that uses the light modulating properties of liquid crystals. An LCD is a passive device, which means that it does not deliver any light to display characters, animations, videos, etc. LCD uses fluorescent tubes to lighten the picture but can't provide the clearer picture as LED delivers. It delivers good color accuracy, but we can notice the difference if we compare LED and LCD color accuracy. In LCD, the wide angle decreases with 30 degrees from the center in image than the contrast ratio. Liquid crystal material is filled in between two glass plates. You can see in a diagram. One glass plate have horizontal transparent conductor are built into same glass plate and the other end glass plate have vertical light polarizer and vertical conductors are built into it. The display uses pneumatic, that is a thread-like liquid crystal compounds that tend to keep the long axis of broad-shaped molecules aligned. The pneumatic compounds have crystalline arrangement of molecules. The intersection of two conductors defines pixel position. You can see in the diagram. There are some advantages of LCD, that is it consumes less power, it includes millions of colors, it is lighter than LED. Some disadvantages of LCD are it needs extra light sources. It have also restricted viewing angle. And one more disadvantage is its speed is very slow. The next display device we have to study, that is the touch screen. Nowadays it is very commonly used. Touch screen, it is an input technology. A touch screen is a computer display screen that is sensitive to human touch. A touch screen is a display device that allows the user to interact with the computer by using their finger. They can be quite useful as an alternative to a mouse or keyboard. For navigating a graphical user interface, touchscreens are used on smartphones, tablets, varieties of devices such as computer and laptop monitors. In this image, you can see that this laptop is a touchscreen laptop, and this is the image of a mobile phone. It's called as a smartphone. It is having a touchscreen technology. A touchscreen is a computer display screen that serves as an input device. When a touchscreen is touched by a finger, it registers the event and sends it to a controller for processing. A touchscreen may contain pictures or words that the user can touch to interact with the device. A touchscreen has two main advantages. First advantage is it allows users to interact directly with what it displays. Second advantage is it does not require the use of intermediate device. That are the advantages of touchscreen. We know that everyone nowadays is using a smartphone, and you know that to use that smartphone you just need to touch the screen. You just need to touch the particular icons on your screen and then you can access it easily. A touchscreen is a computer display screen that serves as an input device. A touchscreen may contain pictures or words that the user can touch to interact with the device. Then, today we have studied about the display devices. First, we have studied what is a flat panel display. We have seen there are two main types of flat panel display. One is the emissive flat panel display and second is non-emissive flat panel display. We have studied plasma panels, light emitting diodes. These are the example of emissive flat panel display, and LCD is the example of non-emissive flat panel display. Also, we have studied in detail what is a plasma panel, what is light emitting diodes, and what is liquid crystal display, that is a LCD. And at last we have studied touch screen display device. Thank you for watching the video.